as opposed to down the field, so he also misses the early opening, correct?
That's why I didn't like a lot of play action unless it was throwing outside.
10th play to drive. Ellington finds a hole inside the 10. Ellington's second score. Six touchdowns already this season for Andre Ellington. Clemson on top.
You got to get over there and get on a chalkboard. If you're John Lovett, get your guys over there because they're killing you on cutbacks.
What's the key to that?
You have to get off blocks on the cutback and not over pursue and be disciplined.
One after by Catanzaro makes it 14-7. Clemson. Ellington patient, beautiful cutback and touchdown.